Have you ever wondered why you've been suffering? Why life seems to weigh heavily on your shoulders, even when you strive to do your best? Well, I have some news for you. You may not be aware of it, but there's a crucial mistake you've been making, one that has been silently draining your energy and disrupting your spiritual journey. You've been paying for other people's mistakes. It's time to recognize this pattern and understand how it ties into the profound concept of karma. Karma, a fundamental principle in Buddhism, is often misunderstood as fate or destiny. However, it is far more intricate than that. Karma refers to the universal law of cause and effect, a principle that governs every action, thought, and intention we have. It teaches us that our present circumstances are shaped by our past actions, and our future will be determined by what we do today. In essence, karma is the cosmic ledger that records every deed, word, and thought, ensuring that nothing goes unnoticed. At its core, karma is about personal responsibility. It reminds us that we are the architects of our own lives. Every choice we make, no matter how small, contributes to the tapestry of our existence. If we act with kindness, compassion, and integrity, we sow seeds of positivity that will bloom into favorable outcomes. Conversely, if we engage in harmful, selfish, or negative behaviors, we plant seeds of suffering that will inevitably bear fruit. But karma is not just about individual actions. It also extends to the collective. Our actions ripple out into the world, influencing the lives of others and shaping the broader universe. When we act with love and generosity, we create a wave of positivity that uplifts those around us. On the other hand, negative actions create discord and suffering, not just for ourselves, but for the entire community. The silent witness. Karma's precision and accountability. Karma operates as a silent witness, meticulously recording every thought, word, and action. Unlike human memory, which is fallible and selective, karma's record is infallible and comprehensive. It captures not only our outward actions, but also the intentions behind them. This precision underscores the importance of mindfulness in our daily lives. Every decision, no matter how trivial it may seem, contributes to our karmic path. Imagine karma as a river. Each choice we make is like a stone thrown into the water, creating ripples that extend far beyond the point of impact. Positive actions and thoughts steer the river toward calm, clear waters, while negative ones create turbulence and obstacles. The key takeaway is that we are accountable for every ripple we create. Nothing is hidden from karma's gaze, and nothing is exempt from its consequences. This awareness can be both empowering and daunting. On one hand, it reminds us that we have the power to shape our destiny through our choices. On the other hand, it highlights the weight of our responsibilities. Ignorance is not an excuse. Even unintentional harm can create negative karma. This is why cultivating mindfulness and self-awareness is so crucial. By being present in each moment and considering the impact of our actions, we can navigate life with greater wisdom and compassion. The burden of others' karma, a common mistake. Now let's address the critical mistake many of us make, taking on the karma of others. It's natural to want to help those we care about, and especially when they're going through difficult times. However, there's a fine line between offering support and assuming responsibility for their actions. When we try to carry someone else's karmic burden, we disrupt the natural flow of cause and effect. Karma is deeply personal. Each individual must face the consequences of their own actions. This is not a punishment, but a learning opportunity. By experiencing the results of their choices, people gain insight and grow spiritually. When we intervene and try to mitigate their suffering, we rob them of this valuable lesson. It's like trying to take an exam for someone else. They may avoid the immediate discomfort, but they won't learn anything from the experience. Moreover, taking on others' karma can have serious consequences for our own well-being. It creates unnecessary stress and imbalance, draining our energy and diverting our focus from our own spiritual journey. We may feel overwhelmed by problems that aren't ours to solve, leading to burnout and resentment. This doesn't mean we should be indifferent or uncaring. Rather, it's about finding a balance between compassion and self-preservation. The importance of boundaries, protecting your energy. One of the most effective ways to avoid taking on others' karma is by setting healthy boundaries. Boundaries are not walls meant to isolate us. They are filters that allow us to engage with the world in a way that preserves our energy and well-being. By establishing clear limits, we can offer support without becoming enmeshed in others' struggles. Setting boundaries requires self-awareness and courage. It means recognizing when to say no, even when it feels uncomfortable. It means understanding that we cannot fix everyone's problems, nor should we try. Instead, we can offer guidance, empathy, and encouragement, allowing others to take responsibility for their own lives. Protecting our personal energy is essential for spiritual growth. When we allow others to drain our energy, we compromise our ability to function at our best. By safeguarding our energy, we create a solid foundation for our own well-being and ensure that we have the resources to pursue our personal journey. Cultivating good karma, a path to positivity. While it's important to avoid taking on others' karma, we can actively cultivate good karma through mindful living and positive actions. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, contributes to our karmic balance. By practicing compassion, generosity, and integrity, we create a ripple effect of positivity that benefits not only ourselves, but also the world around us. Mindful living is the cornerstone of cultivating good karma. It means being fully present in each moment, aware of our thoughts, words, and actions. It means making conscious choices that align with our values and promote harmony and well-being. When we live mindfully, we become more attuned to the interconnectedness of all beings, recognizing that our actions have far-reaching consequences. Acts of kindness are a powerful way to generate good karma. Whether it's helping a neighbor, volunteering in the community, or simply offering a kind word, these actions create positive energy that uplifts everyone involved. The key is to act with genuine intent, without expecting anything in return. True kindness is selfless, rooted in a desire to contribute to the greater good. Transforming negative karma, a path to redemption. Even if we've made mistakes in the past, it's never too late to transform negative karma. The first step is self-awareness, acknowledging our past actions and understanding their consequences. This requires honesty and humility, as well as a willingness to take responsibility for our choices. Once we've recognized our negative karma, we can take deliberate steps to counterbalance it. Acts of kindness, generosity, and compassion can help mitigate the effects of past harm. For example, if we've hurt someone, we can seek forgiveness and make amends. If we've been selfish, we can practice generosity and selflessness. These actions, when performed with genuine intent, create positive energy that offsets our negative karma. Positive intentions are equally important. Our thoughts and attitudes shape our karma just as much as our actions. By cultivating a mindset of love, compassion, and understanding, we can transform our inner world and, in turn, our outer circumstances. Meditation and mindfulness practices are invaluable tools for developing this positive mental state. The ripple effect. Karma and the universe. Karma is not just a personal phenomenon, it affects the entire universe. Every action we take creates a ripple effect, influencing the lives of others and shaping the collective experience. When we act with kindness and compassion, we contribute to a wave of positivity that uplifts the world. Conversely, negative actions create discord and suffering, affecting not only ourselves, but also those around us. This interconnectedness underscores the importance of mindful and responsible behavior. By recognizing the far-reaching consequences of our actions, we can make choices that promote harmony and well-being. We can become agents of positive change, inspiring others to act with kindness and integrity. Final thoughts. Embrace your journey. If you're still reading, I want to thank you for your attention and openness to these insights. Understanding karma and its implications can be transformative, helping us navigate life with greater wisdom and compassion. Remember, you are not responsible for the mistakes of others. By focusing on your own journey and cultivating positive karma, you can create a life of balance, harmony, and fulfillment. If you found this content meaningful, please consider subscribing for more insightful discussions. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care, and may your journey be guided by mindfulness, compassion, and positive karma.